Hello Ascenders, and in this video we're going to be taking a in-depth look at this Modelones SMEOW fast drying nail lamp. This lamp is available on Amazon and I will link it down in the description box down below. What comes in the box is this adorable cat themed gooseneck lamp, a wall plug-in, and a manual. You plug the cord in the side of the lamp. This lamp has a very long gooseneck, which makes it easier to move the lamp around so you can cure your nails in any position. This especially helps with nail tips like when you're doing gelxnails. This lamp has 3 buttons: 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. All you have to do is click it once and the light turns on. If you click that same button again, the light turns off. I thought for some reason the adorable little toe beans over here were buttons, but they're not. To try out this nail lamp, why don't we do some gelxnails on my mom. My mom wanted me to give her a advent/candy cane manicure for December, so we're going to be using the Modelones soft gel tips. These are the long coffin shape, and this is my first time using these, and I gotta say, you get a lot in this box, around 500. You want to make sure that you pick the right size that fits your nail, and if they don't fit your nail quite right, you can go ahead and file the sides of them so they fit sidewall to sidewall. This is a really important step because if they don't fit right, there's more chance of them just popping off, and we don't want that. So I went through all of the sizes and I picked the one that fit the best, but I also did file the sides of it just so where it fit better. I'm applying a gel base coat to the nail. I always apply gel base coats when I do gelxnails, even if the gel glue that I use is kind of a built-in gel itself, because anytime I don't use gel base coat before I do my gelxnails, my gelxnails always pop off. Also, you're going to want to prep your nails before you put your base down, and I have a whole video on that on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out there, but I've already done that step to my mom's nails. After that is cured, it's time for the gel glue. This is the gel glue that I'm going to be using in this video. It is the Modelones 4-in-1 gel glue. It could be used for gelxnails, it could be used for rhinestone glue, and it also can be used for watercolor gel, but today it's just a gelxnail glue, so let's use it. I'm going to apply that to the nail, then I'm going to take the nail tip and apply that towards the cuticle, putting pressure downward towards the end of the nail. This will ensure even coverage of the gel across your nail. Then I'm going to hold it there and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. If you're doing this on your own nails, I highly recommend just doing one nail at a time. And this tip is fully cured after 30 seconds in this lamp. I will say the gooseneck part of this lamp really made it a lot easier. My mom asked for shorter scround nails, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off quite a bit of the length. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut off those sharp corners, because boy would those catch on everything. Then I'll file the length first. It's important to establish the length of the nail that you want before you move on to the sides. After I filed the length, I rounded the nail file so they would be very round, and you know what, they actually turned out as round nails instead of scround nails, but that's okay. After I was done filing, I went ahead and wiped all that dust off with some rubbing alcohol using a lint-free pad. Then I'm going back in with some gel base coat because I like to apply base coat to gelxnails. You could also file the surface of the nail so that the gel would stick better, but I usually just apply a thin layer of base coat and the gel polish sticks to the nail extension very well, and that's just my preference. Then I'm going to cure that gel base coat in the lamp for 30 seconds. I love how there is a screen on this lamp that is counting down the time so you know where it's at, you know what I mean? Alright, so we've used this lamp so far to make some gelxnails extensions, but how good is it going to cure white gel polish? I'm going to be using the Modelones white gel polish, and I'm going to apply one thin coat of that to my mom's nail. Then she'll turn the nail over, even out the gel. Then I cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now let's see if it cured it. I would say that this is perfectly cured because there is nothing on the lint-free pad. None of the gel polish is coming off the nail. With the base fully done, why don't we move on to the nail art? My mom wanted a candy cane, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some red gel polish and add some red stripes to this white base. Then I'm going to grab some Modelones silver gel polish and add some silver stripes. Then I cured those stripes in the lamp for 30 seconds. After the nail art was done, I added a gel top coat just to finish off my mom's nails. And here is a picture of how they turned out. My mom absolutely loved them, and I really enjoyed using this lamp. It is really helpful when you're applying the gelxnails because of the gooseneck, but it also has no problem with curing gel polish. But keep in mind, I was using the Modelones gel polish, so for the best results, I suggest using the same brand of gel polish with this brand of lamp. It is very fast and very efficient, and nowadays my favorite lamp now, mainly because it is so cute. I love the little toe beans on the side. I just love how it looks. But if you know me, you know I was gonna love this lamp. Oh hey Slap, you back? Yeah, I actually didn't need your help in this one because my mom needed a nice manicure for December. Oh, what is that? You want to try out these new Chameleon Aurora gels? No problem. But for that, please, Ascenders, click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Me out. I'll see you in my next. Bye.